I-order finance le finance ngu-IDCE kufanele mostly and mainly kube ngile viable. Nasibuka i-viability ye-order finance sibuka tingono letahlukahlukene letifaka ekhatsi le market lakayiservisako lona lo lethe order noma loyo client lo approach IDCE ukuthi ucela ukuthi simfund. Sibuka ukuthi market la iservisako how reliable it is. Sibuke le supply la kade uthenga khona noma the supply chain la kahambisa through yona ukuthi how reliable and how stable it is, ngoba sizama ukuthi ngato tonke tindlela si mitigate ema risks la khona, ngoba siyawata ema business ukuthi kuba nema challenges lapha nalapha. So siyafuna lokwati ukuthi le market la kayiservisako la kade uthenga khona nayo le credit worthiness of a business ukuthi i-track record yakho as soma business lo approach IDCE injani. Sitawukhona lokho ukuthi phela sisebenzisane kahle ukuthi imali nasikunika nawe ukhona lokuyibuyisa. Sibuke nalama profit margins ukuthi ngabe nawuthenga nasikuniketa leyo mali yokuthenga those supplies, that material utobuito service lel order, ngabe ma profit margins eme kanjani. I thinking lokho well ne collateral siyayidinga depending on the structure or the order lakho, ngoba lamanye ukhanzethe abamakhulu kakhulu ayayidinga that collateral le very strong.